Oh my gosh.
It worked, Patrick. I scared everybody.
You should film me making that. You should film me making that. You should film me making that.
That's a great idea. I'm with that.
Hi, I'm Martha Stewart.
Today I'm making Japanese salty fish noodles. Pack of ramen in the bowl. Another pack of ramen in the bowl.
Can you explain to us what you're doing here?
I just microwave it. Because I think it's quicker.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. That should be actually a segment where I just eat something goofy every week.
How can they go for another couple minutes?
I gotta put more water in it. Got food. Good, load it up. Okay, that's good, that's good. Ah! The water is hot.
Yeah.
Whoa, this is ancient Japanese art of carrying soup. Oh! There we go. Okay, we're gonna light this one on fire in like 3 minutes. Sounds oddly sexual.
I turned myself into a pickle, Morty!
Small fish is good for you.
Matt, tell us why small fish is good for us.
Small fish has less toxins because toxins flow through the concentration gradient to bigger fish.
Bigger fish. You guys went to a science class.
Last time I did this, I just dumped all the noodles into the sink by accident. This is way too many noodles. With the oil, because it's just olive oil, so it goes with the meal.
We're gonna eat the tiny fish now.
Okay, let's see it.
Fish.
There. Salty fish noodles.
Matt, tell us what your meal is inspired by.
ある雪景色の美しい昼下がり、ミルクシーフードを食べようとするスーザン。そこへ、チーズ星人、ペッパー星人陽気に現る。チチチチチチチチチペペペペペペペペペチチチチペペペペチチチ。
マルウ
How can you go wrong with noodles? Oh no! That's a fishy bite.